Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video tutorial. My good name is Fatma. Today we discuss about bioinformatics. What is bioinformatics? Application, goals of bioinformatics, tools used in bioinformatics and its sources. Let's start. What is bioinformatics? Bioinformatics is the application of informatics techniques to obtain, store, and interpret large quantities of biological data. Day ones, bioinformatics to organized vast streams. Vast streams means a very large amount of something. Molecular biology data in an efficient manner. Bioinformatics was initially coined by Ben Hesper and Pauline Hogwen in 1970. Its most important, हम डिफाइन कैसे करेंगे बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स को? बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स एज ए स्टडी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेटिक्स प्रोसेस इन बायोटिक सिस्टम. What is the goal of bioinformatics? The field of bioinformatics has three main objectives. In previous slide, we discussed first objective is the organized vast streams. Vast streams means very large amount of something of molecular biology data in an efficient way to organize yet to develop tools that aid in the analysis of such data. Why we use tools? हम tools क्यों use करते हैं? Because in comparing, analyze and genomic data like NCBI, blasting. Third, to interpret the results accurately and meaningfully. Bioinformatics is applied in the study of properties of genes. Genomes में हम लोग करेंगे genomics, proteins में proteomics and metabolic pathway in the metabolics. It's important point. Bioinformatics is interested in the interaction of these biological molecules in a cell. Central dogma of molecular biology is a very important concept in here. Bioinformatics can be applied to molecular biology to study the flow of biological information from DNA to RNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid to ribose nucleic acid, and to the final gene products of proteins. Applications of bioinformatics. First application is varietal. Varietals means variations, changes. Plant genetic resource database, biometrical analysis, storage and retrieval of data, studies of plant modeling, pi degree या p degree analysis, preparation of reports, uploading of information, diagrammatic representation, planning of breeding programs like plant breeding and biotechnology. Tools. In next video tutorial, we discuss in detail about the tools like Galaxy, Blast, Autodox, BioJava, Amphora, Emboss, Velvet. We discuss in detail. This is only the introduction. Today we discuss about bioinformatics. Bioinformatics basically है क्या, उसके goals क्या हैं, tools हम कौन कौन से use कर रहे हैं और इसका objective क्या है. These are the resources from where I collected data. If you have any query, you may inbox me. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Speak up by Fatma.